Dear students, today we will learn the principle and usage of hot air oven. This is the instrument used in plant tissue culture laboratory, and very popularly it is an sterilizing instrument in which glasswares and the scalpel, forceps, scissors, all the instruments used in the plant tissue culture are sterilized by the heat sterilization method. So hot air oven is very important instrument in tissue culture laboratory. Hot air oven is a dry air type sterilizer with 3 walls and 2 air spaces. The outer walls are made up of thick asbestos to reduce the radiation of heat. The hot air sterilizer is operated electrically. In this case, the heater coil is either be placed at the bottom of the oven or on the side walls. A convection current travels a complete circuit through the wall space and integrate to the oven. The temperature inside the oven is controlled by a thermostat. So overall, the hot air oven is an instrument which is working on the principle of heat, which is created by some electrical coils present in the body of the oven or at the bottom of the oven, and temperature is controlled by thermostat. We have placed here the instrument in slide. We can see here the thermometer, the oven wall, and the trays are there in the oven, and the asbestos floor gasket is there, is the door is there, and then at the panel of the oven shows the timer and the temperature control knob and the main on off switch and the high low heating switch or direct timer that is seen here in the diagram. Hot air oven works on the principle of dry heating, where the temperature of air is raised by heating elements connected to the electrical supply. Dry heat sterilization is applicable to the things which is sensitive to the dry heat and which will not deteriorate, ignite, char or evaporate at high temperature like 160 to 180 degrees centigrade. All the glasswares, glass petri dishes, metallic tools, forceps, then scalpels, scissors and other vessels, after their washing, are placed in an oven. Other materials which will not be burnt at higher temperature may also be sterilized in hot air sterilizer. Petri dishes may also be put in metal cans or wrapped with paper and placed inside the sterilizers. A temperature range of 160 to 180 degrees centigrade is applied and door is closed. The oven is kept in overnight exposure of the temperature of 160 to 180 degrees centigrade, and all the glasswares and metallic tools are overnight exposed, which will kill the all stubborn microbes present in all these items during night, and they are sterilized. The hot air sterilizer is used for sterilizing laboratory glasswares such as test tubes, petri dishes, pipettes, flasks, bottles and other materials which will not be burnt at high temperature. The points of attention, we should take care of the points. The chamber door should not be opened until the chamber temperature has come down to below 60 degree. Glassware may crack if air is let in suddenly while it is still very hot. Graduated glassware should not be kept in oven, as due to high temperature the glass may expand and the it will create the error in the measurements of the for those particular instruments. Thank you very much. This is all about the oven. You have to make a diagram in practical file and write down the comments on the oven, the structure, operation, principle and usage of the oven in your practical record. Thank you very much.